Afternoon, everybody. September 15th, Friday, 2023. We're in the shop. We're on what I call the woodworking side and the tool room over there. That's just what I'm calling, because there's a divider wall. So what we're going to do is we've got our OSB walls up. Cutting out the electrical receptacles for me was a bit of a challenge. A couple of them got a little messy. Kind of looks like a monkey did it, but I'm not wasting wood, time and effort and frustration recutting it. I had to cut one because I goofed it to the point where I just had to waste a sheet of OSB, which kind of pissed me off because these sheets of OSB are like 30 odd bucks. So can't do that too often. So we're at the point where we got to cut out the window and we're going to use the router. Now I'll show you something. I had this little rigid trim router. Not powerful enough. It got smoking hot. It hit It hit the breaker a couple times there and shut off. I had to turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, turn it back on, and for what I was doing, it's not powerful enough. So we're gonna kick it up a notch. I'm gonna use my Bosch big boy router, and I'll show you the bit as well. That thing got burnt to ass. It was hot, blue hot, and then it went just all black and raunchy. The ball bearing still works on it, but it took a beating, man. It took a beating. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, man, look how black that thing is. That's brutal, dude. Brutal. Alright, so we'll make it work and cut it out with the big boy. I know there are, I've watched a couple YouTube videos, there are special plunge bits that you can plunge down and then cut around your door opening or window or whatever the case may be. I've only got a couple to do. I'm not going to go buy anything, and I've already got a router bit. I'll just use this one, even though it's getting a little bit trashed on. Who cares? It'll do the job. Alright. Not too shabby. This seemed to be a very popular router when I read reviews on it. I wish the on-off switch was down here, so you don't actually have to let go of one of the handles to turn the machine on and off. But oh well. And it comes with the plunge part, a bunch of inserts and crap. I have more in the garage in an old coffee tin. But yeah, let's get this thing set up and we'll get going. There's the window we got to drill into. You might be able to see a little bit of daylight behind it right there. Yeah, you can. Okay, so what we got to do is we got to get a drill bit, a spade bit, drill through there, and then we route around it. So I'm going to turn the camera off until I get set up. Alright, you guys want something handy? Get yourself one of these little Milwaukee M12s. Oh my god, they are so handy. Little ratchet driver. Very handy. Okay, let's rock and roll. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh. Holy frig. Dust. Alright. Screws to look out for. Damn, that does a good job though, guys. Okay, we're not done yet though, man. Holy dust! Oh, dust, Batman! Look at all that dust. Okay, done. The router does an awesome job, man. Except when there's a big knot in the wood. We'll fix that later somehow. Gets the corners pretty good. A little round, but no big deal. Having the more powerful router definitely helped, man. Okay. Here's a shot of my electrical outlet. Alright. Loose there. Stinking knot hole. Alright, well, whatever. There's the, look how dusty everything is, man. Holy cow. Okay, just a quick video. Here's my DeWalt 60 volt table saw. That vacuum's probably about 10 years old. Nice sunny day out. Okay guys, so we'll end it there. Let me set you back up here again for a sec. Okay guys, we'll end it there. That's all I got for you today. I'm going to put the receptacles back in. You don't need to watch me doing that. There's 1,001 videos on how to wire a receptacle. I just thought you'd be interested in seeing the router cutting out a window. Now, I don't know if this would work as well on drywall. Maybe. I don't know. But works like a hot damn on OSB, that's for sure. But it is dusty. Whoa! Make sure you're not using your wife's brand new vacuum cleaner to clean that up. You might want to go out and buy a shop vac. You can get a cheap shop vac for $100 nowadays, probably $200. Although if I was buying one, I'd put in the effort. If I didn't even have one, I'd get a decent one. You know, shop vac is too handy, too handy. Yeah, other than that, that's all I got. It's already 3 in the afternoon, something like that. I'm not going to do too much. I had to go out this morning to take the dog into the vet. The dog has a bladder infection, and oh, I was up all night. The wife was up all night. She was the one babysitting the dog. The dog had to go out and go pee about every half hour. And she did pee on this plastic mat we have for the dog. So luckily none got on the carpet, so I didn't have to pull out the spot cleaner. I had to do that before. But, alright. Take it easy, everybody. See you next time.